crap here. Sprinter van 144 wheelbase. Installation kit. I don't know what those are for. So this might be a little more involved than I expected. I'm gonna have to put the camera down, do a YouTube video, and figure out how to do this. All right, guys, so here it is. Finally got my DECKED system installed. It came by freight. I think last Friday. I installed it over the weekend. You'll see some videos of the install, just kind of unboxing it and everything. But my first impression when I unboxed it was that there are a lot of pieces. It was a little daunting. I didn't think that it was going to be so many pieces. But once you start getting into the process of actually doing the install, it's not bad at all, guys. So keep that in mind. Don't be afraid of when you open the box and it has a lot of parts. Don't be afraid of it. It's easy. Just follow the directions. Super easy to do. One thing to note, let me flip you guys around, is I ordered mine and I ordered the core TRAX with it so I can actually tie stuff down. These are cool. You just kind of pull them out. You just kind of use like you're giving a shot. Just put it in there, move it up halfway, clips down, it's good to go. It's the same thing that's the bed is mounted on. Actually, it's just an L track. So as you can see under here, so I can actually use these on the side here as well, which is nice. Just gives me more and more options, right? So anyways, with the L tracks, there's two different sizes. So basically with the DECKED system, they have either a system that fits into short beds, and then they have the standard size longer one as well. Apparently on this 2019 Sprinter, it's actually a shorter system. I didn't realize that when I ordered it. So when I ordered my core TRAX, they either come in a 48 inch or a 58 inch, I believe. I ordered the 58 inch, and in order to return that, it's kind of a hassle. So basically I called them, when I ordered it originally, it came within the whole DECKED system box, so I didn't have a box to return it in. So I called them and they said, hey, go ahead and just order a new set, and then use that packaging, and we can issue a return authorization and get you the money back that way once you ship them back in. So I was doing that, but it came up $61 shipping, and it's a $110 item. So basically I just called them. They said, no worries, we'll place the order for you, waive the shipping, no problem. But I was still gonna have to pay to have them shipped back. So what I did is I just looked at it. Basically the main things, you want the endpoints to be able to anchor down into the system so they're nice and secure. And with mine, let me flip you around. So we got the end system there, and then it runs all the way up here. And on the 48 inches, they actually stop right here. So you can position them either towards the back or to the front of the system. And with the 58 inch, I was like, you know what? Every single hole lines up except for the last one. And I started thinking, well, if I trade them in for the 40 inch, it's just going to stop there. I'm not going to be tying anything down super heavy back here. So why don't I treat this like that? And then I just get this little bonus here without having, but just keeping in mind that I'm not going to strap anything super heavy down. So that's what I did. So I installed the 58 inch core TRAX onto the short size system, which I guess is not what is meant to be done, but it works out perfectly fine, and you actually get a little more length out of the core TRAX. So I like it. I think that worked out really well for me. It's a really cool system. So you got the bottle opener on the back here. They brand the thing really well. You got a little ruler branding, more branding there, some socket sizes and things like that. The drawer system's great. So it opens up. This is a little weather seal to keep the rain out. I don't have to worry about it. I'm in a cargo van, but for if you're in an open truck, then that's super nice. And it pulls out. So get this out of here. Okay, so additionally, I was going to be ordering their divider set, and basically the dividers just slip into here, all the way across, and holds things into different compartments. However, I started reading some reviews, and a lot of people were saying they were pretty weak and broke, or the drawer itself would flex a little bit, and then those things would pop out. So I figured, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go get some wood 1/4 inch wood or something like that and cut them out perfectly, and that should do the job perfectly fine, and I can kind of custom fit them to how I need them to fit. So I'm just going to be doing that. So yeah, the drawers are super nice. They come out all the way. They actually lock in. Sorry for the noise, guys. We're in San Diego. We got the Blue Angels are starting to fly. I think they're practicing today and they start tomorrow. So, but yeah, the Blue Angels are in town for the weekend, which is always nice. So I think we'll be taking my daughters to the air show. Let them check it out a little bit. Back to the deck system. All right, so when you pull out the drawers, right there, they lock into place. It's just like it comes over a little hump and holds them into place. Just go and push it back in, and it locks itself. So it's all locked up. Pull. It's a spring release system, which is super nice. One of the other options that you can get is actually you can get locking drawers. You can get a little lock that goes there. I don't need that. Again, it's inside the cargo van. They also make cool little toolboxes that actually fit into these things super well. So I'm looking at that. They're kind of expensive, and I always like these rigid ones, and this seems to fit in here just perfectly fine. So I'll probably just keep that, but it's a cool thing to kind of look at. I'll put a link down. It's an affiliate link, but I'll put a link down in the description below of the boxes that DECKED makes that apparently fit in there perfectly. And that should do it, guys. As you can see, my bed's all done, so we're going to use this as another sleeping, kind of like a platform bed. Just put a mattress down and you can sleep on that. The bed's down up here, and yeah, it's finally coming along. So my daughter's got Monday off of school, so I think I might take her camping this weekend. We'll see with the air show and camping, and there's a little bit of weather in San Diego this weekend, so we'll see if that works out. But if it does, you guys will see. We'll take some video of that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the deck system. So far, I'm really enjoying it. I haven't really set it up for work yet, but that is the plan. Like I said, this thing is for work and play. So we got the play up top, be able to use it for camping, work on the bottom. There are the Blue Angels. So anyway, I can work at the bottom, use the drawers. Also, if I'm just keeping this kind of thing in here, I can pull those out when we go camping and use this as storage for camping as well. So anyways, guys, I hope that's informative for you. Deck system, it's killer. I recommend it. I think for the price, they're really good. It's for this one, it was $12.99 for the Sprinter, but that includes shipping, freight shipping. So yeah, I'm really happy with the system. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.